In the heart of Quezon City, the National Kidney and Transplant Institute, or NKTI's hemodialysis building, will soon rise. The 13-story facility will house 200 state-of-the-art dialysis machines, which have been proven effective in the treatment of advanced stages of kidney disease. The Mega Hemodialysis Center is one of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos administration's legacy projects. Ang bagong NKTI para sa bagong Pilipinas. Noong panahon ng kanyang amang si President Ferdinand Edwin Marcos at First Lady Imelda Marcos, itinayo ang specialty hospitals na Lung Center of the Philippines, Philippine Children's Medical Center, NKTI, at Philippine Heart Center.
Ako'y nagitla, nabibigla tuwing gumalaw ang unang ginang. Pagkat nung kami nagkaisang dibdib, ang kabilin-bilinan ko lang sa kanya, alagaan mo ang aking puso. At ngayon, tignan mo ang ginawa, napakalaking pag-aalaga. Ngunit, ang paliwanag naman niya sa akin ay yan daw ay pag-aalaga ng lahat ng puso ng lahat ng mamayan Pilipino.
Itinayo ang mga ito para mas mapalapit sa masang Pilipino ang world-class na mga espesyalista, pasilidad, at pinakabagong medical equipment at teknolohiya. Since its establishment in 1981, the NKTI has been invaluable in helping countless Filipinos with serious kidney problems, including renal transplants. More than 35,000 outpatients and 27,000 inpatients are treated every year in the institution, with more than 80% of them needing serious medical attention. With the Hemodialysis Center, President Bongbong Marcos is continuing his father's legacy. He saw the urgent need for a more intensive medical approach in dealing with kidney disease, the treatment of which takes a heavy toll on a family's finances. The center will cater to both indigent and regular patients from Metro Manila and the provinces, especially those needing immediate, proper medical attention and emergency care. Magiging sentro rin ng building ng training para sa mga tumutugon sa mga pasyenteng may kidney disease. Magkakaroon ito ng skills laboratories, lecture rooms at auditoriums upang sanayin ang healthcare workers, lalo na yung mga naka-assign sa probinsya upang lumaganap ang mga makabagong kaalaman tungkol sa paglaban sa kidney disease. Like the soon-to-rise Philippine Cancer Center, another administration legacy project, NKTI's hemodialysis building would not become a reality without the generous support of the House of Representatives. Sa pamumuno ni Speaker Martin Romualdez at sa tulong ni House Appropriations Committee Chairman Zaldico, buong puwersang sumusuporta ang bawat miyembro ng Kamara na itaguyod ang mga proyektong ito para sa ikabubuti ng kalusugan ng bawat Pilipino. Maliban sa legacy specialty hospitals, nariyan din ang legacy sa housing, ang target na 6 na milyong murang pabahay para sa pinakamahihirap nating mga kababayan, at ang legacy sa food security. Itong mega building hospital ay ang pinakamalaking hemodialysis center sa bansa at isa sa mga legacy projects ni President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. Indeed, the opening of the new hemodialysis center would mark a significant milestone for the administration in addressing the medical challenges of the country as we move forward in attaining economic prosperity. Ang bagong NKTI para sa bagong Pilipinas.